body I will add a paragraph where I will show you how to use line space, how to use break, how to comment any tag or text or element or attribute. This is the HTML file. Just browse. Yes, now this is blank. Save this page. Save this file. Go to the browser. Reload this page. Yes, this is the paragraph what I added. Now I am adding a line break. That means starting with new line. In that case, I am adding a break before paragraph. 3 break before paragraph. Now reload this page. Yes, 3 break added. Now after Berners-Lee, I am adding a break so that after Berners-Lee it will start a new line. Save. Go to the browser. Reload this page. Yes, Berners-Lee and NQR start with a new line. Now I'm going to show how to add a space in the text. Add sound. Before sound, I am adding some space. To use space, add ampersand NBSP. How many space you want to add? Each ampersand NBSP display one space. Load this space. Reload. Yes. Now space added before sound. Okay. Now before anchor, I am adding two space. Reload this page. Yes, before anchor, space added. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to comment. I'm adding comment. Comment means text exists in the file but not displayed in the web browser. Here I am just adding a text. This is a text. Now this text is displayed in the web browser. If you comment it, it will not display in the web browser. To comment out, just add this symbol character. Okay, now it is comment out. It will not display in the web browser. You can comment out HTML tag, element or attribute. Add comment in the middle line of this page. Yes, to use and share document, it will comment it and it will not display in the web browser. Yes, it's displaying now. Now it's hidden.